Since 1941, Sheedy Paving has been providing Central Ohio with its asphalt needs. Whether it is new construction or existing asphalt, we have numerous solutions for completing your project. Our team specializes in designing custom solutions for your needs, as well as meeting specifications on projects that have been designed by architects or engineers. We offer turnkey solutions providing excavation, stonework, and paving. Depending on the condition of the existing asphalt, there are a few options. Overlaying is a cost-effective solution in which we pave on top of the existing asphalt as long as it is still structurally sound. In situations where the entire lot doesn't need replaced, patching can drastically lengthen the life of your asphalt surfaces. When the structural integrity is compromised, the milling and paving process removes the compromised material and we replace it with new asphalt. If you're not sure what your project needs, contact us and one of our estimators will help guide you to the best solution.